We use sigma notation to write geometric and arithmetic series in a nice and compact way. This notation confuses a lot of students, but it's actually really simple. So the notation is made up of 4 parts. First is this component here, which is basically the formula used to find the terms in the series. Next we have this component. This tells us what starting value we are going to plug into our formula. The top component here tells us the last value that we're going to plug into our formula. So in this case, we're going to be plugging in values into k in the formula starting at 1 and all the whole numbers up to 10. And lastly, this symbol here is the Greek letter sigma, and it tells us that we need to add all our terms together. So in this example here, we'll start with k is equal to 1 and plug that into the formula. We get 2 times 1 minus 1, which is just 1. Then plus, plugging in k is equal to 2, we have 2 times 2 minus 1, which is 3. Then plugging in k is equal to 3, we have 2 times 3 minus 1, which is 5, and so on until the last term. We plug in k is equal to 10, so 10 times 2 minus 1 gives us 19. And this is a basic example of how you would expand a series written in sigma notation.